Free time activities.
To do puzzles, to play cards, to play chess, to play board games, to go to a board club, to play video games, to read, to draw, to write, to paint, to take photos, to play a musical instrument, to walk, to hike, to cook, to bake, to sew, to knit, to go to a party, to do karaoke, to watch television, to watch a movie, to see a play, to do exercise, to go to the gym, to do yoga, to listen to music, to go camping, to go bird watching, to go out for a meal, to do the gardening, to visit a museum gallery, to meet friends, to go on vacation, to go on holiday, to go shopping, to go to a concert, to stay at home, to have a picnic, to collect stamps, to do pottery, to make motors, to surf bronze the internet, to go France, to go to an evening class, to go to the beach, to fly a kite, to ride a horse, to do jogging, to sing in a chore, to arrange flowers, to go for a king.